Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Epix Gen 2. This premium smartwatch offers both intuitive button controls and a vibrant touchscreen display. You can easily navigate through menus by pressing the 5 physical buttons located on the sides, or by simply swiping and tapping the bright AMOLED screen. To quickly view your daily stats, just swipe up or down through the glance loop. For a quick return to your main watch face, simply cover the screen with your palm. Your Epix Gen 2 is an exceptional companion for any activity. To start, press the top right button to access over 30 preloaded sports apps, from running to skiing. For outdoor adventures, the watch features multi-band GNSS technology, providing incredibly precise location tracking, even in dense forests. You can also view detailed, full-color topo active maps right on your wrist, making navigation effortless. Plus, monitor real-time stamina and performance metrics like VO2 max to truly optimize your training. Beyond activities, the Epix Gen 2 offers comprehensive health monitoring. It continuously tracks your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and respiration rate. You can also use the Health Snapshot feature to record several key health statistics in just 2 minutes. Stay connected with smart notifications from your phone and make quick, contactless payments using Garmin Pay. The watch also provides detailed sleep tracking, stress level monitoring, and body battery energy insights to help you understand your body better. Personalize your Epix Gen 2 to match your style and needs. You can easily customize watch faces, data fields, and download additional apps from the Connect IQ store. The battery life is truly impressive, offering up to 16 days in smartwatch mode with gesture control, or up to 6 days with the always-on display. When using GPS, you can expect up to 30 hours of tracking. Adjusting screen brightness and display settings allows you to optimize both visibility and power consumption for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.